Welcome to this video guys. In this video I'll show you how you can install and uninstall YouTube app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, open browser, Chrome or any other browser that you have, then open YouTube. In Chrome, you will see this option here that says install YouTube. If you are on other browsers like Edge, you will see this icon here that says app available, install YouTube. So it's the same thing in different browsers. Now I'll go back to Chrome and click on this, install YouTube, and it will show this pop-up that says install and cancel. Just click on install, and right away you will be asked this: do you want to pin YouTube to your taskbar? So this means that YouTube app icon will be pinned here in your taskbar at the bottom. I'll just click on yes for now. And now if I go to my desktop, as you can see, YouTube shortcut has popped up, and now you can just directly click on this to open YouTube. And if I close this sticks here. If you want to remove this, you can just right click on it and click on unpin from taskbar. And if you want to uninstall this, just press your Windows key and search for YouTube, and you will see this YouTube app. Click on this arrow here that says expand reveal actions list above. Here just click on uninstall, and you'll see this here, the list of all the installed apps. Just scroll down till you find YouTube at the bottom, and just click on this and click on uninstall. And if you're asked do you want to remove YouTube, just click on remove, and YouTube will be uninstalled from your system. So as you can see, it is now gone. So this is how you can install and uninstall YouTube from Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.